guys, welcome to Girl Got Style. It's me again, Jewel Stokes. I know my last blog was a bit crazy, but I've been wanting to do that for ages, talking about stem cells, because I've got MS and I can't wait to get some stem cells because I know I'm going to be like a spring chick again. Yay, which I already am. Anyway, I got some more stuff from PrettyLittleThing and I thought, well, I might as well do a quick review, but I need you to subscribe. So please, I always get confused with this. Go down there to subscribe, or maybe it's down there. Down there, subscribe. Okay, right, okay. Just a few things in the sales. I mean, I'm being very, very careful now what I buy. Because I've got so much stuff, I'm not even going to be able to get in this flat soon. Yeah. Oh, and look at my new haircut. New haircut for summer because it's nearly here, isn't it? I went to Josh Wood in Notting Hill in Holland Park, where Victoria Beckham goes. The Beckhams, they all go there. Although apparently Victoria likes the hairdresser to go to her house, but they go from Josh Wood. So that was quite lucky. Oh, and I got it for free. They cut my hair for free. I know, I get so much freebies now I'm in London. I am so blessed. Even I can't believe it. Well, let me move the camera down a little bit. Even I can't believe it. I must have done something good in a previous life because I just get so many freebies in London. I'm just like so blessed. Anyway, oh, my cardboard cutouts in the background. I don't know if you like her, but I absolutely love her. Again, it was another gift that was given to me. And it was very expensive. The £400 cardboard cutouts like that. So again, blessed. What can I say? I'm a very, very blessed person. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these sale things from PLT, which has had a bit of a slating this week because everyone's saying the clothes are ugly. And some of the new stuff is not really to my taste. I wouldn't have gone as far as saying they're ugly, but it's not to my taste. So I thought I'll pick some stuff up in the sales. So here goes. Okay, so I got this. This was only like £5.50, and I have to say I don't actually like it. It looks, no, I've actually got better stuff than this already. I've got two beige jumpers, slightly different shades. I'm just gonna wash them and wear them because you know what it's like in the United Kingdom, everybody. Even, or if you're not from the United Kingdom, basically it's freezing even in the summer. You still need a jumper, especially in the evenings. So I'm just gonna wash the two beige jumpers that I've got because they're really nice and wear them. Yeah, so no, that's going back. Don't like it. No, it's just not right. It actually looks a bit like hair. So do I really want to be walking around with hair all over me? Not sure. Right, so I'm not into that. Right, this little dress. Oh, there's only one of them, I think. Or is... Oh, I'm not sure. I'm supposed to have two of these. I don't know. Right, size 8. Oh, maybe I just got size 8 and hope for the best. Yeah, because I've liked this for ages and it was only £6. I mean, it was about £30 for a while, 30 odd pounds, and I quite liked it. So it's got like belts all across, so let's hope it fits me. But the thing is with PLT, which I find a little bit annoying, is that either too small or too big. Oh, I think that might be quite good. I don't know if you can see them. Come back so you can have a look. Oh, that's quite good. Oh, right. That could be, or that might be just a little bit of a pinch. Right, okay. So, well, I definitely don't need the size 6 anyway. It's quite nice. And this faux leather stuff always has a bit of a smell, but that's actually quite nice. I think I might just be able to squeeze into it. Yeah, it doesn't quite look like the picture. I don't know, I quite like it, but what a nightmare to get in. What a nightmare. And I've got a little cardigan. Where is it? Here, a little cardigan. This also looks small. That's the trouble with the sales. You end up with loads of stuff that really isn't that good. So let's have a look. I mean, it's cute, this cardigan, but it looks like it's for a 7-year-old. Oh, it's nice and warm though. Yeah, I could have done with a bigger one really. So a little cute cardigan. And this dress, little black dress, and I think I've shown it yet, but yeah, size 8 is very small, so I bought another size 8 to try and squeeze into it, because you see I sent it back and then got a size 10, and size 10 was massive, so hopefully I can fit into that. I will try, I will see. I know it was very tight, but I just have to breathe in. Right, okay. And then this skirt, which I also already ordered one and then sent it back, and then saw it in like one of the major fashion shows, when I was watching one of the major fashion shows, and I thought, it's only £7 that skirt. Maybe I should order it again. So I have done. So let's have a look. Yes, can you have a look? Right, I'll try these on for you now, I think. Okay, right, so I'll put a little headband on to go with this little skirt. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's quite fitted, but it's nice. I got this burning desire inside of me. It's burning a hole in my soul. I don't know if you can see that. Please subscribe. I need more subscribers, and you know, you want to be one of my friends, you know that. So please subscribe. Go down there and subscribe. I got style, you got style, girl got style. Signing out. Love you.